Hi there! In today's video, I'll show you how to create folders on your Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra. Let's get started. So, as a first step, we would need to swipe up to open the app list and here choose at least 2 apps that we would like to create a folder with. For example, I will choose these 2. Now, we would need to hold our finger on one of the apps and move it at the top of the second one. Then release your finger and as you can see, the folder has been created. Here we have options as give this folder name by clicking on this folder name button. So let's type in something. Now we can also change the color of this folder by clicking on this circle on the right edge. So we can change it like this. So let's leave it on the yellow. Click on the home button to save the changes and now we can see that the folder is yellow. And also we can add a new apps to it by clicking on this plus on the left edge. So let's choose any app that we have right here and as you can see it appeared right here. And this is it. And the last thing that I will show you, that's how to delete the folder. For that we would need to hold our finger on this folder and then click delete. You'll get this warning that the folder will be deleted, but all the apps will be still available on this list. So let's click confirm. And as you can see, the apps appeared on this list again and the folder disappeared. And this is it. I hope this video was helpful for you and thank you so much for watching.